Hello, everyone. Today, we are going to master the morning routine. We will go through every single step of your morning, from opening your eyes to walking out the door. We have a lot of phrases to practice today. The rule is simple. I will say a phrase, and then you will hear a pause. During the pause, repeat the sentence out loud. Don't just listen. Use your voice. That is the only way to improve. Are you ready to start your day in English? Let's begin. Scene 1. Waking up in bed. The room is quiet. The sun is coming up. My alarm is loud. I really don't want to get up yet. I turn off the alarm and stretch my arms. Let's try that again. Stretch my arms. I turn off the alarm and stretch my arms. I sat up in bed and looked around. I grabbed my phone to check the time. I checked my messages and emails for a minute. Finally, my feet touched the floor. I am getting out of bed now. Before I leave the room, I do one important thing. I make my bed. It's good to start the day with a clean room. I make my bed every morning. Scene 2. The bathroom. You need to wash up to feel fresh. I walk into the bathroom and turn on the light. I look at myself in the mirror. My hair is a mess. I need to wash my face with cold water. It wakes me up instantly. Now I grab my toothbrush. I am brushing my teeth. Don't forget to floss. I am going to take a quick shower. The water is nice and warm. I dry my hair with a towel. I need to shave this morning. Or, for the ladies, I need to put on some makeup. Now I feel fresh and ready. Scene 3. Getting dressed. You go to your closet. I open the closet to choose my clothes. First, I need to check the weather app. It looks like it will be sunny today. So, I don't need a heavy jacket. I will wear a white shirt and comfortable pants. Where are my socks? I can only find one sock. Here's the other one. I look in the mirror one last time. I look ready for the day. Scene 4. The kitchen and breakfast. You are hungry. I walk into the kitchen. First things first, I need water. I drink a glass of warm water. Now it is time for coffee. I boil some water for my coffee. The smell of coffee makes me happy. I cannot start my day without caffeine. What should I eat for breakfast? I open the fridge to see what is inside. We are out of milk. I guess I will have toast and butter. I put 2 slices of bread in the toaster. I spread butter on my toast. I eat breakfast while checking the news. I put the dirty dishes in the sink. I will wash them later when I come home. Scene 5. Getting ready to leave. You are in a rush now. I look at the clock. Oh no! I am running a little late. I need to hurry up. I pack my bag for work. Did I pack my laptop charger? Let me double-check my bag. Okay, everything is there. Where are my keys? I always lose my keys in the morning. Found them! They were on the table. I put on my shoes and grab my coat. Did I turn off the lights? Yes, everything is off. Scene 6. Leaving the house. I open the front door and step outside. The fresh air feels good. I lock the door behind me. I walk to the bus stop. Or I walk to my car. I hope the traffic isn't bad today. I put on my headphones and listen to music. Here comes the bus. I am on my way to work. It's going to be a productive day. Excellent work so far. Now, we're going to do a speed review. I will pick the 10 most useful phrases we learned today. We will practice them one more time to make sure you remember them. Are you ready? Number 1. I hit the snooze button. Number 2. I make my bed every morning. Number 3. I need to wash my face with cold water. Number 4. I check the weather app before getting dressed. Number 5. I cannot start my day without caffeine. Number 6. We are out of milk. Number 7. I am running a little late. Number 8. Where are my keys? Number 9. I lock the door behind me. Number 10. It's going to be a productive day. Great job, everyone! You just completed a full English speaking workout. How do you feel? Your mouth muscles might feel a bit tired, but that means you are improving. Consistency is key. Try to listen to this video every morning while you get ready. If you do this for 1 week, these phrases will become automatic. Thank you for practicing with me today. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to Daily English Shadowing and Listening. Let me know in the comments, are you a morning person or a night owl? I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.